everyone, and welcome to Little Wiggles. I'm Miss Amanda. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today is all about weather. So let's get started with Hello Friends. And if you know the melody, you can help sing along with me in just a second. But if you're joining us for the first time, let's go through that sign language that we'll need for this song. So to say hello, we're going to do a salute. And then for friends, we're going to alternate our fingers like this. And we do this 3 times. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. And then it's time. We point to our watch, our chin twice to say, and then hello again. All right, so hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. So welcome. Our first song is You Are My Sunshine, and we will also need a few sign language signs to sing along with this song. So for sunshine, we're going to make our hand like the sun, and we're going to rotate our wrist and then open up our fingers. So we do this twice. Sunshine, and then you make me happy is the next line. So on happy, we're gonna swoop up our arms, and then for skies are gray, we're gonna open up our hand, and then for gray, we're gonna alternate our hands like this, and then you'll never know, so we'll point to our head for no. How much I love you. So how much, and then for I love you, we'll give ourselves a hug like this. And then please don't take, so take, please don't take is my sunshine. And then away. All right, so let's go through that one more time. So take my sunshine away. All right, so let's sing that through one more time. All right, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Very good, awesome. So this next song you can also help me with. You probably know it. It's the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So who can show me their best Itsy Bitsy Spider? Just like that. All right, so let's sing this song. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. And then who can show me their rain? Down came the rain and washed the spider out. All right, now for the sun. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Oh, great, that was so good. All right, our story today is a really great story. It is This Love by Isabella Otter, courtesy of Tiger Tales. And as we read this story, the rainbow over here is going to change a little bit, so you'll want to watch that. It doesn't matter who we are. Join hands and stand up tall. Love is a special language that's understood by all. Graceful birds swoop low and dive, soaring through the air. We watch in quiet wonder, a moment of joy to share. We nestle close together in our cozy little nook, the words painting pictures as we share our favorite book. We roam the streets as one, dog always by my side, a loyal friend and playmate, my love, my joy, my pride. We laugh and play all day under stormy skies. Splish, splash, we love the rain. What a great surprise. I watch the crystal carpet form as balls of snow are flung. Soft flakes float gently on the air and then melt on my warm tongue. Colored streamers burst and pop, lighting up the night. Good night kisses for us all as sparks fade from sight. We dig a hole, then scatter seeds to take care of our land. My grandpa teaches me to sow with patient, loving hands. We dance and prance in the fountains, making rainbows in the spray. We love to leap and twirl around. Please, can we stay all day? Can you hear the drip, drip, drop? Rain is falling fast. And though the seasons come and go, our special bond will last. Dad's safe hands are guiding me. And now I'm on my own. I know he's right behind me. I'll never feel alone. We share our laughter, songs, and tales, while parrots preen and call. The sun is winking on the sea as dusk begins to fall. My baby brother has been born. I must take care of him. His tiny finger curls around mine. My heart fills to the brim. It doesn't matter who we are. Join hands and stand up tall. Love is a special language that's understood by all. And that's our story. So our final activity today is going to be a flannel story. So I have 5 umbrellas here. And our story is going to go like this. 5 umbrellas stood by the back door. The red one went outside, and then there were 4. So we'll take our red one down. And let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 umbrellas left. 4 umbrellas, pretty as can be. The blue one went outside, and then there were 3. So we'll take our blue umbrella down. Let's count these together. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 umbrellas left. 3 umbrellas with nothing to do. The green one went outside, and then there were 2. So we'll take our green umbrella down. And let's count these together one more time. 1, 2. 2 umbrellas not having any fun. The yellow one went outside, and then there was 1. So we'll take this yellow umbrella down. Now we have 1 left, right? one umbrella, sad and all alone, decided to go outside and join his friends, and then there were none. And that's our story. So let's end our story time today with Goodbye, Friends. And we can sing this one together. It's the same melody just as before. So for goodbye, we're going to do a wave, and then friends again, and goodbye, friends, and we do this 3 times. Goodbye, friends. And then we point to our watch one more time. It's time. Our chin twice to say, and then another wave, goodbye. So let's sing this one together. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. So thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, have a wonderful week.